Hello everyone, and welcome back to Automation School. In today's video, we're giving you a lesson on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. We'll be giving you our top method at the end of the video, so keep watching. YouTube Shorts channels are taking home thousands of dollars a day, just by making quick and easy short-form content. Although the YouTube Shorts monetization just came into effect in February, YouTube Shorts has quickly become one of the most profitable ways for YouTubers to make money in 2023. The secret is though, despite how good ad revenue is, that's not the only reason why they're making all of this cash. You curious? We're here to spill the beans. The first way to make money, and perhaps the most self-explanatory, is ad revenue. With YouTube already having this embedded into the platform for their partners, all you have to do is make sure that you have ads turned on to take advantage of this feature. That being said, although it's that easy to start earning ad revenue, it's not as simple to make big bucks. To increase your ad revenue, you need to increase your views. There are a couple of ways to do that for a Shorts channel. An important tip is to ensure that you are making videos within a niche that is currently trending. If your niche is popular, there will be an influx of new viewers that can stumble upon your content and increase your view count. However, if you're in a niche that isn't that well known, it may be more difficult for you to increase your views. Additionally, if your niche isn't one that is popular with advertisers, or your content isn't necessarily brand friendly, that can also negatively affect the amount of ad revenue that you earn. Another essential tip is to implement keywords in both your titles, descriptions, and in video text to better your SEO and appeal to YouTube's algorithm. YouTube has recently started pushing Shorts videos to the top of the search results on their platform, on both mobile and desktop, meaning that if you have the right keywords within your video, you are much more likely to be the top search result. This is important for increasing your viewers and finding new audiences because people are much more likely to click the top video in their search rather than looking through all the results. Another reliable and profitable source of income is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers were already making a ton of money using this strategy before YouTube Shorts started to make money from ads. And now they've only increased their profits now that they can have the best of both worlds. Affiliate marketing is essentially just helping brands market and promote their products to your audience. And if a sale is generated from your video, you earn a pre-established commission rate. The number of product purchases made via your affiliate link determines how much money you'll make, not the number of views, which means that the number of views isn't what's important here. You can only have a few thousand views, but still be making hundreds of dollars from commissions. To start, choose an item that is well liked by your target market, that is available online or within your niche. Work with the retailer to generate a unique sales link and commission rate, or just sign up with a well-known affiliate marketing or partner program, such as Amazon Associates, eBay, or ClickBank. Communicate the value of the product through your shorts, whether it be through a product review video or implementing the item into your storytelling, and redirect viewers to your description box that contains a URL to the product landing page. Depending on what you are selling, you can earn up to thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing, which is the marketing of high-value items such as luxury goods, digital courses, and other programs, can earn you hundreds of dollars per sale. Even if you only had 50 views on a YouTube short, you can still earn a ton of money if someone purchases the item or service from your link. For a more in-depth video about affiliate marketing, check out some of the other lessons that we have on our page. If you're in an education or knowledge-based niche, a great way to monetize is by selling longer-form versions of your short-form content, either through a course, newsletter, or membership platform. You can create YouTube Shorts that cover the basics of each topic you're discussing, and implement a call to action for viewers interested in learning more to purchase longer-form content off of YouTube. That way, you're still providing value to viewers from the short, but also opening the door to increased revenues to those that want to support you and learn from you in a more in-depth way. Our personal favorite is working with content creators. It is one of the easiest ways to earn money and help build your professional network by offering to be an editor for a Clips channel for content creators. With YouTube Shorts continuing to gain momentum and being a top competitor for TikTok, many content creators are looking for editors to create clips out of their long-form content that is optimized for shorts. Some of these content creators include podcast hosts, Twitch streamers, Snapchat vloggers, or just other YouTubers in general. These content creators don't have time to create their own clip channels, and if you can help them with it, it's an easy way to make tons of money. especially if you negotiate for a percentage of all revenue that comes from the channel along with a fixed rate. The good part about this money-making method is that it's relatively low effort because the content is already created for you. There are also plenty of features within these platforms that can pinpoint which moments you should upload to the Clips channels. For example, on Twitch, there is a feature that showcases the most viewed clips for 24-hour, 7-day, 30-day, and all time durations. These are the most popular moments of the stream that viewers have already engaged with and shown interest in. You can download these clips directly off the website and throw them in a web editor such as Streamladder to reformat them for shorts. These videos can also be repurposed for TikTok as well, since they are already in a vertical format. Streamladder also allows you to have instantaneous captions, which you can edit as you see fit, and pre-established templates. For YouTube, there's a feature that shows the most viewed moments of a video, which you can then timestamp and throw into an AI program like VEE to help you repurpose them into short-form content for both YouTube Shorts and TikTok. What do you think? Did you expect that last method to be our personal favorite? Have you ever thought about doing that before? Let us know which of these YouTube Shorts monetization approaches is your favorite in the comments. Thanks for attending Automation School today, everyone. Until next time, we'll see you later, Automators.